Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing WoodSpring Suites Reno Sparks. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Sparks, 3.2 miles from Sparks Heritage Museum, WoodSpring Suites Reno Sparks provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi and free private parking. The property is around 6.3 miles from Reno-Sparks Livestock Events Center, 6.9 miles from National Automobile Museum and 7 miles from National Bowling Stadium. Pioneer Center for the Performing Arts is 7.1 miles from the hotel and Wingfield Park Amphitheater is 7.3 miles away. At the hotel, the rooms are equipped with a desk. At WoodSpring Suites Reno Sparks, all rooms have air conditioning and a private bathroom. Nevada Museum of Art is 7.3 miles from the accommodation, while Truckee River Walk is 7.4 miles away. The nearest airport is Reno-Tahoe International Airport, 4.3 miles from WoodSpring Suites Reno Sparks. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.